Oats! They're the breakfast of champions, or at least they should be. These humble grains have been a staple in diets around the world for centuries, and for good reason. Packed with fiber, especially that heart-healthy beta-glucan, oats are a powerhouse of nutrition. This soluble fiber is known for its ability to lower cholesterol levels, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. They can help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet or manage their weight. But have you ever stopped to think about how these little nutritional nuggets get from the field to your bowl? The journey of oats is a fascinating one, involving multiple stages of careful processing and quality control. It's a fascinating journey, really. It all starts with the planting of the oat seeds in fertile soil, where they are nurtured and grown until they are ready for harvest. From the planting of the seed to the rolling, packaging, and shipping, there's a lot that goes into making this breakfast staple. Once harvested, the oats are cleaned and dehulled to remove the outer husk, leaving behind the nutritious groat. These groats are then steamed and rolled to create the familiar flakes we know and love. This process not only makes the oats easier to cook, but also enhances their flavor and texture. After rolling, the oats are packaged in various forms, from instant oats to steel-cut oats, each offering a unique texture and cooking time. Quality control is a crucial part of this process, ensuring that only the best oats make it to your table. Finally, the packaged oats are shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed by millions of people. So the next time you sit down to a bowl of oatmeal, remember the incredible journey these oats have taken. So grab your spoons, folks, and let's dig in. Enjoy the goodness of oats, knowing the care and effort that goes into every bite. Our journey begins in the field, where farmers carefully sow oat seeds in early spring. The soil needs to be moist and fertile to give these little seeds the best start in life. Think of it like tucking your kids into bed with a good book. You want them to be comfortable and have everything they need to thrive. Oats are a cool season crop, meaning they prefer cooler temperatures and shorter days. After several months of soaking up the sun and rain, the oat plants grow tall and golden. Harvest time usually rolls around in late summer or early fall. Farmers use large combines to harvest the oats, separating the grain from the rest of the plant. It's a bit like a giant mechanized haircut for the oat field. The harvested oat grains still in their hulls are called oat groats. They're chewy, nutty, and surprisingly delicious even in their raw form. Once the oat groats are harvested from the golden fields, they're whisked away to a processing facility. This journey is crucial as it marks the beginning of their transformation from raw grains to the nutritious oats we enjoy. Here, they undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any dirt, debris, or stray stalks that may have hitched a ride from the field. Think of it as a spa day for oats, where they are pampered and polished to perfection. The cleaning process involves several stages, including sieving, air blowing, and washing, ensuring that every oat groat is spotless. After their cleansing ritual, the oat groats are sorted by size and quality. This sorting is done using advanced machinery that can detect even the slightest differences in size and weight. The groats are carefully categorized to ensure consistency and quality in the final product. The best and brightest groats are destined for your breakfast bowl, where they will be transformed into delicious oatmeal, granola, or other oat-based products. These high-quality groats are packed with nutrients and are essential for a healthy diet, while others might be used for livestock feed or other purposes. These groats, though not making it to your table, play a vital role in the agricultural ecosystem, providing essential nutrition to animals. This ensures that nothing goes to waste, and every part of the harvest is utilized efficiently. The journey of oat groats from the field to various end products is a testament to the meticulous processes involved in food production, ensuring that we get the best quality oats for our consumption. Now for the main event, transforming those chewy oat groats into the familiar flakes we know and love. The first step is to remove the tough outer hull from each groat. This is done through a process called dehulling, which essentially rubs the hulls off without damaging the good stuff inside. Once dehulled, the oat groats are steamed and flattened between large rollers. This softens them and gives them their characteristic flat shape. Voila! Rolled oats are born. Section 6. Steel cut, quick, and instant. In this section, we will explore the different types of oats and how they are processed to suit various culinary needs. Rolled oats are just the beginning. The journey of oats doesn't end with rolling, it branches out into several other forms, each with its unique characteristics and uses. These versatile flakes can be further processed into steel-cut oats, quick oats, or instant oats. Each type undergoes a distinct process that affects its texture, cooking time, and flavor profile. Steel-cut oats, also known as Irish oats, are made by chopping the oat groats into smaller pieces instead of rolling them. This method preserves more of the whole grain, resulting in a hearty and nutritious option. They have a chewier texture and nuttier flavor than rolled oats. This makes them a popular choice for those who enjoy a more substantial and flavorful breakfast. Quick oats are rolled oats that have been cut into smaller pieces, allowing them to cook faster. This makes them a convenient option for busy mornings when time is of the essence. Instant oats are pre-cooked and dried, making them the quickest and easiest option. They are perfect for those who need a fast and simple meal solution without compromising on nutrition. Each type of oat can be used in a variety of dishes, from hearty breakfasts to delicious baked goods. Understanding the differences between steel-cut, quick, and instant oats can help you choose the right type for your culinary creations. Whether you prefer the robust texture of steel-cut oats, the convenience of quick oats, or the speed of instant oats, there's an oat variety to suit every taste and lifestyle. Enjoy experimenting with these versatile grains in your kitchen. Section 7. Packaging for the masses. Now that our oats are all dressed up with somewhere to go, it's time to package them up for distribution. Rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and other varieties are typically packaged in airtight containers or bags to keep them fresh and free from moisture. You'll find them lining the grocery store shelves, ready to be whisked away to breakfast tables far and wide. Section 8, from field to table, and there you have it, the incredible journey of oats from the humble field to your breakfast bowl. It's a testament to the hard work of farmers, processors, and everyone in between who make this nutritious and delicious grain possible. So next time you're enjoying a bowl of oatmeal, take a moment to appreciate the long journey it took to get there. Section 9, conclusion: a humble grain, a healthy choice. Oats truly are a remarkable grain. They're packed with nutrients, versatile in the kitchen, and a sustainable choice for a healthy diet. From the rolling hills where they're grown to the bustling factories where they're processed, oats represent a connection to the land and the people who nourish us. So go ahead, embrace the goodness of oats. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you.